I also want to show you in this video trading at the money. So at the money, I basically mean where the closest number to the indicative in this particular case, and obviously as the market's going to move, this is going to change, but 2195.68, this contract is 2195.8, so it's about 5/100ths of a point out of the money. But I can pay, $50 for it, $52 for it, depending on what I get filled. But let's say I do a $50 contract here for this particular trade. So in this case, I'm going to do a $50 contract. So that's it's slightly out of the money in this case. A lot of times the way I describe at the money trading is trying to be in the money just a tiny bit. I'd rather be in the money just a tiny bit than out of the money just a tiny bit. But in this particular video, I'm gonna just show it out of the money. This is a $50 trade, so I hit place order. You can see it in my open positions. I paid $50, so it's $50 cost, $50 if I win. So it's a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio in that case, and as of right now, I need it to go up about 0.3% or 0.3 of 1 point in order to win the particular trade. Again, I can always exit the trade early if I so desire also. But this is it's a 50-50 coin flip in the sense of what Nadex is going for. Now in this case, this is so right now 81. I can pay $52 for the 81. That is actually in the money, and I can pay it, say, $53 for that. Now, if you take a look at $53, this $47 profit target for $53. That is a 89% return on investment. You're not going to find at a scammy broker an 89% return, period. But even if you did, you wouldn't find it where it's in the money. So this particular trade is still in the money as of right this second by 1/10 of 1 point. So I can have the market go against me by 1/10 of 1 point, and I would still win the trade, and I would still win 89% on my money. Versus some of the scammy brokers where you're going to make 70% or 75%, and it's right at the market. In this particular case, I could have been in the money. So if the market just stayed exactly where it was, I would have won the trade, and I would have profited 89% on my money. So it's just a vast difference in Nadex and trading some of the scammy brokers. It's night and day, and if you take your time, just a few minutes or a week, just taking random trades to kind of understand how Nadex works, you're going to do far better than trading at some of those scammy brokers. You're going to get a better percentage when you win, technically. So if you're trading basically at the money stuff, they're not going to cheat you on changing the prices on you, like I've had many times when I was trading at the scammy binary options companies. So you can believe the actual indicative price that they give you. It's based on a contract, it's based on the end time, so they're not going to extend the time by 15 seconds in order to make your trade a loss and so forth. So it's just a way cleaner, nicer, more profitable way to trade. So if you're trading still at some of the scammy binary options brokers, take the time, get a demo account at Nadex, play around with it, take a week just trading random things. Feel free to ask me some questions, watch some of my other videos. Hopefully that'll be helpful to you. So hopefully this is helpful for you, trading at the money stuff at Nadex, and how much more profitable that actually can be for a trader. So take care. I wish you the best.